one new topic that is called lubricating oil system. Means basically we need to discuss on the topic lubrication of the automobile. In the previous class, what we have discussed, if you remember,
merit of
Sir,
multiple injection system, sir. EFI system.
EFI system, right? Electronic fuel injection system. We have discussed about basically injection system of automobile. Now, after the knowing the phenomena of injection system, we need to know its maintenance also. And for its maintenance, cooling and lubrication is the second very mandatory component and very mandatory part which is required to get attention in every automobile. Because without lubrication and cooling, any automobile will not work properly for a long time. It will start creating problem. It will face severe problems. Am I correct? So lubrication and cooling is required in every automobile. So we need to know how this lubrication and cooling is being done. So today that only we will going to discuss. Today the point of discussion of our class is lubricating oil system. Okay, let us move further. We need to know what is the primary purpose of lubrication. Why do we lubricate our automobiles? Okay, now to keep a clean layer of lubricating oil or film or lubricant oil film between the contacting surface of the running part or of the moving components in order to prevent friction, heat and metal to metal wear or abrasive wear. So it is clear to everyone what is the main purpose of using lubrication in our automobiles. This is the main purpose.
Yes, sir.
If the exam it comes, what is the main purpose of lubrication? You need to write this thing. Okay, to keep a clean layer of lubricating oil film or lubrication oil film between contacting surface of the running parts or the moving components in order to prevent friction, heat and metal to metal wear or abrasive wear. So this is the basic reason. Now moving further, what is the secondary purpose of lubrication? This was the primary part. Secondary part is number one is cooling. Lubrication also helps in the cooling of the component also. It extracts heats and liberates to the surrounding. It plays a very good role of cooling also. Okay. How? In passing through the engine, part of the heat is absorbed or picked up by circulating oil. Therefore, it is made to pass through the cooler before being circulated. This is the reason why it is initially passed through the coolers before going to the different parts or before circulating to different parts of the moving part of the automobile. Is it clear? Students, are you paying attention in the class?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
सब कोई ध्यान से देख रहे हो ना? Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. The secondary purpose of the lubrication, the second part is neutralization of acid products of combustion. Combustions के द्वारा जो acid products निकलता है उसको न्यूट्रलाइज करने में भी हम लोग हेल्प लेते हैं lubrications का. Okay, so we use lubrication for neutralizing acid products which are coming out of the combustion, and very good example of acid product of combustion is sulfuric acid, which is very harmful for our parts of automobile. So it is required to be removed and it is neutralized by the help of lubrications only. So let us go through next part, that is cleaning. So lubrication plays a very important role in cleaning also. How? By washing away of wear, detritus due to surface rubbing and friction. Therefore, oil is filtered and centrifuged. Oil is also cleanses hot moving parts from carbonaceous deposits. Let me see, anybody is there in the lobby? कोई lobby में है क्या? This is the problem. Okay. Till now everything is clear? Good morning.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So those who have joined late, let me remind once again. Today we are going to start a discussion on lubrication of automobile. Why we are using lubrications? So we have gone through primary reason, we have gone through secondary reason. Primary reason is what? To keep clean layer of lubricating oil or film oil between the contacting surface of the running parts or moving parts in order to prevent friction, heat, and metal to metal wear or abrasive wear. So this is the primary purpose of lubrication, to provide lubrication of an automobile. There are other purposes also that comes under secondary part, and the secondary purpose of lubrication are cooling, neutralizing of acid products of combustion, for example sulfuric acid, which comes out as a byproduct of combustion and which requires to be neutralized because it prevents the surfaces to wear out, or it happens to wear out the surfaces. That's why it is required to be neutralized, because it creates problems to the physical parts of the engine. Next is cleaning. It helps in cleaning also, washing away of wear debris due to surface rubbing or friction. Therefore oil is filtered and centrifuged. Oil also cleanses hot moving parts from carbonaceous deposits. So these are the few reasons what are the purpose we are using lubrication in our automobile. Okay. Next, lubrication is also used as a part of sealing. How? This is the case
Yes,
with
sir.
the piston and the liner, where the oil provides a gas seal as well as lubrication. So this is the reason I do not allow late entry. Again, some student has joined in the lobby, na? So this creates problem in the class. Okay, we'll see later on. Let us move further. What is the other purpose of lubrication? Prevention from corrosion. I think every one of you is familiar with the word corrosion.
Yes, sir.
तो lubrication is basically a oil thing. It is oil और grease से बना हुआ होता है lubrication basically. तो जहाँ पर भी जिस भी मेटल में अगर oil या grease लगा रहेगा, if we apply oil or grease, so that part will be protected from corrosion. I think everyone is familiar with this. You have gone through this in your engineering material subject, I think.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, let us go through. Hot corrosion is caused by vanadium. Next, cold corrosion is caused by sulfur. What are the requirements for a trouble-free engine operations? What are the different requirements? Let us go through that. Number one is type of lubricating oil recommended by the manufacturer must be used. These are the requirements. Every engine is having a specification of what are the things it will be used for its maintenance. दे दिया जाता
Sir,
है.
someone is your lobby, sir.
So this is the problem ना. मैंने अभी बोला कि मैं उसे बाद में देखूंगा, छोड़ दो. We were in the lobby. Leave it. बार बार मैं लॉबी में जाकर अगर देखता रहूंगा तो क्लास कैसे कंटिन्यूअस होगा बताओ. अंडरस्टैंडिंग?
Yes, sir.
मैं बाद में देखूंगा. चलो लेट अस कंटिन्यू विद द क्लास. नेक्स्ट, द lubricant to be supplied in proper quantities and at right temperature. Next, provision must be made to remove any impurities entering the system. So we use filters, different filters for pouring lubrication inside our automobile. फिल्टर लगा के lubrications को डाला जाता है ताकि कोई गंदगी अंदर ना चला जाए. ठीक है. So these are the basic requirements for a trouble-free engine operation, and it is always recommended by a automobile manufacturer company also. उसका जो मैनुअल बुक रहेगा उसमें लिखा हुआ रहेगा ये प्रोसेस, ये आपको करना है, so that your vehicle must be maintained properly and it is serviced properly time to time, so that without trouble free it can run smoothly for a long period of time. Is it okay? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
कोई
Yes, sir.
कोई क्लास में हो ना, मुझे कुछ यस नो कोई कुछ नहीं बोलता है.
Yes, sir.
ठीक. ओके ओके, लेट अस मूव फर्दर. Now we are having different divisions in lubricating system. We need to know what are those. Okay, let us move further. Number one is the internal division or engine part of the system. See, in an automobile there are having different parts component combined together to form an automobile. ऑटोमोबाइल गाड़ी को बनाने के लिए डिफरेंट पार्ट का कॉम्बिनेशन किया जाता है ना, तो सभी डिफरेंट पार्ट्स जो मिलाकर जब गाड़ी बना रहे हैं तो दैट इज डिवाइडेड इनटू डिफरेंट डिविजन्स एंड एवरी डिवीजन इज हैविंग ए लुब्रिकेटिंग सिस्टम फैसिलिटी प्रेजेंट इनसाइड दैट। क्योंकि ऑटोमोबाइल के अंदर में जितना भी पार्ट है मैक्सिमम मूविंग होता है, आपस में मूव करता रहता है कंटिन्यूअसली, इंटरनली या एक्सटर्नली। जो हमको एक्सटर्नली नहीं दिखता वो इंटरनली मूवमेंट होता रहता है। जैसे कि अगर हम इंजन खोले, बोनेट खोलते हैं तो हमको क्या इंजन अगर स्टार्ट रहेगा ऊपर से हमको इंजन मूवमेंट नजर आता है, कंबसन चैम्बर पिस्टन वगैरह दिख रहा है, मूवमेंट हो रहा है,
No,
कंटिन्यूअस मूव करता
no,
रहता है अगर
sir.
इंजन स्टार्ट रहेगा तो। अगर इंजन स्टार्ट रहेगा तो इंजन में हमारा कंबसन चैम्बर के अंदर पिस्टन मूवमेंट होता रहता है, तो वहाँ पे तो हमको लुब्रिकेशन चाहिए। क्योंकि वो हमारा कंटिन्यूअस मूवमेंट में है अगर इंजन स्टार्ट में, गाड़ी अगर खड़ा है तो भी। गेटिंग माई पॉइंट?
Yes, sir.